Katie Koppel reporting tonight in Estherville. We turn now to our weather first forecast, and it's Drake relays. It's always raining, David, and Ragbri. It's going to be July, and they got one good day yesterday, and now it's back to the heat and humidity for those riders.
Yeah, you know, Ragbri in July, it's going to be the same story over and over again. It's going to be hot here. Heat advisory until Wednesday evening, covering all parts of the state. So if you're riding Ragbri, just make sure to stay hydrated when you're out there, because those heat index values can be dangerous at times. Cedar Rapids right now looking at 88 degrees, heat index of 104. That's dropped down a little bit from where we were earlier, closer to 110 degrees as well. So we're going throughout our day, we can see just not only those temperatures fuel the high heat indexes, but the dew points as well. It just feels muggy and sticky out there. You don't need me to tell you that if you're walking outside. Those heat index values will stick with us as we go throughout the day tonight and into tomorrow. That's really the hot day where we're looking at temperatures all the way up to 93 degrees. Then it'll start to cool off as we get into Thursday and Friday. Heat index values will top off around 100 or so, but still something to keep an eye on as we're going throughout our day. Looking at live satellite and radar right now, we can see clouds cover most of the area, just some filtered sunshine. What we're starting to watch though is these isolated storms here that's starting to form, kind of causing a little bit of a problem, possibly severe. Looking for mainly damaging wind gusts and possibly a brief spin-up tornado. As we go throughout, we can see the National Weather Service has issued a level 1 out of 5 risk tonight. Again, the two main threats here for the tornado and the winds here, just some strong gusts, but mainly the tornado threat will be brief, quick spin-up, nothing too much to be concerned about. So let's time it out here with Predictor going in through the overnight hours. We can see those isolated cells mainly impacting our western counties. Couldn't be surprised if it made it as far east here as in Cedar Rapids, and then it'll start to move off, and kind of by the time we get into Wednesday, exception of our northern counties, we'll start to clear out those skies here. We'll see the southerly winds Wednesday, just clear skies throughout the day. That with the added corn sweat will just make it kind of hot, terrible, just not a great day to be outside. That will only, our next relief for this will only come around Thursday, where we start to see some clouds and storms. This will come in the form of cold front. That'll come through. We're looking about noon, 1, 2, when it starts to make its way through our eastern Iowa area. Then eventually that'll push on out as we get to 8 p.m. on Thursday. Here we're looking at some rain chances as well, but nothing like we've seen the last few days. Up north right now, we're seeing those heavier rainfall totals over the next 7 days, but around here we're only seeing about an inch and a half, maybe isolated amounts. This is all good just to make sure that we have our rivers and streams already filled, so we don't need too much extra rain here. That'll be good as we're going in through the next week. Looking at our extended here, we can see Wednesday kind of highlighting those hotter temperatures right now, Thursday as well, and that's really where the Ragbri riders will start to get into our area. Eventually that cold front will pass through, and we'll need to keep an eye on some storms here as we're going throughout the rest of the day. Lows only topping down into the 70s. As we go throughout the weekend, we'll start to see some isolated storm chances, and then we're going to start heating on up as we go throughout the rest of the week.
David, thank you. Our new Sinclair Cares initiative is aiming to get more